we'll guide you through how to sign up with Dropbox. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to Dropbox's official website using your preferred web browser. Once you're there, look for the Sign Up button, usually located at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. You'll be directed to the registration form where you need to enter your first name, last name, and a valid email address. Create a strong password that you can easily remember but hard for others to guess. Make sure to use a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters for added security. After filling in your details, you can choose whether you want to receive Dropbox updates and offers by checking or unchecking the corresponding box. Once you've completed all the fields, click on Create an Account. Dropbox will then send a verification email to the address you provided. Go to your email inbox, find the email from Dropbox, and click on the verification link. This step is crucial because it confirms your email address and activates your account. Once verified, you'll be redirected back to Dropbox, where you can start uploading and managing your files. You can also download the Dropbox desktop app for easier access to your files on your computer. Just follow the on-screen prompts to install it. And there you have it. You're all set up with Dropbox and ready to start storing and sharing your files efficiently. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.